Hey guys, welcome to another weekend.
Hey, what's up everyone?
So this weekend we're actually doing some maintenance on the RV, but in Havasu. I mean, it wasn't such a super hot weekend. I want to say high 90s. Today is actually, there's some rain outside, and we did some, before coming out here, Kevin did some AC maintenance work. It's all covered up now. If you guys have been following us on past trips, you'll know that there was like this weird hose hanging out. It was a disaster. It worked, but it just was not clean, kind of annoying. Kevin's managed to clean it up. What did you do, like fix all the plenums and all that stuff?
Yeah, so basically, let's see.
So
let's go ahead and take this out. So when we first got this RV, oh look, it's working already. So I basically stripped everything out, and I had the duct right here, which was a direct drop-in. So then it was super efficient, but it wasn't cleaning very well. So then now I went ahead and you can see right here. So basically inside here, I made it more efficient. I basically made a tunnel for the air. Once it comes down, it's basically has a better flow into the ducts. You can't really.
We're using these back again, right?
Yeah, so air is coming out. Before it was an inlet for the suction. Now it's back to normal. So now, and then there I also created basically like a tunnel hole. So that way the air could come through here. Because if you notice, there's a factory piece right here, and only this part was working as for the inlet. So it's all covered up now. It works really well actually.
And let's see, let's get over here because there was two more that he didn't get to. What were you doing in here? Just cleaning up the styrofoam in there?
Yeah, so if you see the styrofoam, this is how it looks.
That's how all of them look.
All of them look.
Like it was restricting some. It looks like it was restricting some airflow, right? Or
yeah, it wasn't very efficient. So basically, all you gotta do is just get a basic razor blade like this, and just basically shave it down. So if you just come around here, you can see it. So once I take this piece out, you see how much more clean it'll be.
And all of them are like this, right?
Yes. It's gonna get a little dirty.
It's snowing in here.
Casey would love it.
Oh, okay, wow, look at that. That was a lot.
There you go.
Wow.
So you actually feel it. So if you do that side compared to that,
here's
look at the inefficiency.
Wow, that's a lot of styrofoam that's blocking a lot of
right. And it's basically creating turbulence and restricted airflow.
Alright.
So basically I just gotta do that, and I mean it's super simple. You just gotta take it off and just clean it up. So now it's just a smooth smooth edges, so that way the air just flows way better.
Because this one's like, it's not flying, it's not going anywhere. It just hits, it snags onto the messed up styrofoam. Yeah, it snags up into like the residual styrofoam, and it does it probably. That's probably why it's so inefficient.
And then so now with her in here, Katie noticed that the heat doesn't really go into here, because over on this side you can feel it come down here and it doesn't blow right in. So now I can actually put this back up, and then we could angle it, and it could shoot directly, more of an angle into her room.
Yeah, I know that she's sleeping in here and climbing all over the place.
Hi!
She's silly.
Are you telling everybody hi?
Yeah.
Is everybody having a great weekend?
You showing everyone your room?
Are you gonna do a show and tell? Oh, you are? Okay, welcome everyone.
Alright, well, what else? I mean, what else? Was that it? You just had to clean up the styrofoam?
Yeah, so basically I just cleaned up the styrofoam and then install these back up. But the main difference was, so there's a this mod, it's called RV airflow, and it's basically a piece of styrofoam that you shove it in. I had some extra styrofoam from work, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just do it myself. Just clean everything up, box this in, so then now it's airtight. It works very well actually. So it works so well that you can feel the air from the other AC, because all these ducts are connected.
Yeah.
And I think it was a couple weeks ago, it was 102, and it kept the rig cold.
Yeah.
We don't even have to use our backup AC
our backup.
unit.
But that's good for, this is good for driving, like when we're on the road, it's still good for road travel.
Speaking of that, so since this works pretty well and it's kind of bulky, it's in the way, I do want to put a 12 volt inverter AC here, so that way it doesn't have to run off the our inverter, correct. So it's just run it directly to the battery.
Down here is actually just another fan, restroom fan, not a max air fan, nothing special. But we've just kind of insulated because the heat comes in here. Oh, it's like really, oh gosh, there's a lot of dust that you're pouring everywhere. There's a fan up there.
No, there's no fan, it's just a vent.
Or yeah, there's a vent. Getting all this dust all over the place. Yeah, so and then we noticed when we were taking out the vent, the filters.
Oh yeah, so
Turn off the phone. It's gonna spam.
So it's actually utilizing, I would say, 3/4 of the filter. Actually, it's over here too. It's really light, but most of the suction is from this area. But before I did this modification, there was only about, I would say, 4 inches, and so this was completely flat. So if you see here, basically just that part was utilizing the filter. So now when you look at it, it's actually using the whole pathway because there's a gap in here and it goes through. But yeah, we're just keeping up the maintenance and trying to make it way more efficient than that right there. Hi, Casey.
Alright, well, let's get this mess all cleaned up. It's baby's getting a little antsy, and yeah, so these were just like little screws.
Yeah, so once you reinstall, or once I'm gonna reinstall this, I'm gonna make sure that it's a little bit more centered, so that way it catches more of the board on top right here. You see it's kind of offset, so basically just gotta center this a little bit better and have all 4 screws actually get onto the back of the board.
Connect to the board. Oh,
but I'm gonna take care of that one. You guys don't need to see that. You guys have the idea.
Yeah, I mean, other than that, guys, alright, other than that, guys, Casey wanted to say goodbye as well. That's it for this weekend's kind of DIY maintenance, RV maintenance weekend in Havasu. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of the videos, and we'll see you guys next weekend.
Thanks for seeing us. See you guys next week.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Blue.